Hello all my Oreo friends, and this is another YouTube video. Well, yesterday was my birthday, and I wanted to do this review thing of Jurassic World. It's 394 pieces, like Lego pieces. Yeah, my mom got this for me. It was like $40 at Walmart. So yeah. So today we're going to be doing this review about it. I'm going to build it and show you what all the things that you can do. You get like these characters. You get 4 characters. Charlie, Echo, Vet, and Barry. I think that's right. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, I done kind of opened it, so. Oh, yes, there we go. Okay. Bag 2. Bag 1. Booklet and dinosaur, a little packet thing, a bag, and another booklet. Bag number 3. Another dinosaur bag. Bag 4. And some stickers. So that's all that comes with it. And look at the back of it. It's pretty cool. That's all the things that you could do. I'm going to make like a little episode thing about it, like what the dinosaurs is going to do when I get done. So let's get started. Wah! Wah! Okay, I have done built the Jurassic World Raptor Lego set thing. What you get with it is this little 4-wheeler, and I forgot the name of this guy, so yeah, I threw away the box. Took me a few hours to make this, not the vehicle, but the whole thing. You get a missile, and also you get this dart gun, pretty cool, with a needle, and you get a spare needle just in case. So that's what you get with it, like that's part of it. You can also raise the door so you could let out the raptors. Here is Echo. You can open its mouth. It's pretty cool, neat design. I like how they done the fingernails. Here's Charlie. You can also open his mouth. Pretty cool design. So the inside of the cage is like that right there. Little tower. And if you turn it around, warning. Oh, sorry. Warning. It's like a little shocker thing. Whoops. Sorry about that. If you keep on turning it, right this is the food where you can press it in and they can eat it. And you can refill it. Here's where the tower, you can put this guy on top, and if just say Echo just comes and just looks at him and says, I'm hungry. Well, that sucked. Okay. I'm hungry. I want food. You could press this little. I'm having trouble with this guy. Just stay there and get eaten. I'm hungry. I want you. There, you stupid. Okay, he's done eating. Now he's like, more food, please. Please. Or I'll eat your family and look for you. Okay, anyways, that's what that does. Okay. And you could reset it, just do that. Okay. You can also, it has like little tracks. I'm not going to show you because it's very hard to open this door, and I'm sorry about shaking the camera. You can open that door if you've seen, and you can drive this in to take a look. I think it wasn't worth $40 because it's too little. Do you think it's too little for $40? 2 Raptors? A little 4-wheeler? A dart gun? This guy? And that guy? Really? They could have done way better, I think. If you think so, put it in the comments below. But I think they should have made it like a little bit bigger, and like what they had in the movie. Like, they should have had all 4, because the other set you can get the other 2 but with masks, and that's kind of dumb. And they don't even get masks, and they help the guy that tries to kill the Indominus Rex. So that's kind of dumb. So they should have had all 4 without masks and had it in like the little cages locked up, and have the other guy, or just have like that guy and this guy, just like let him loose free, and you know, that would have been it. Plus, with this little cage, I do like it. It looks cool. Fantastic. I love the stickers and everything. Okay. That's what I like about it. And you get like a little light up here, which is pretty cool. But still, guys, you can do way better. I mean, way better. You could have had at least like right here, you could have made it into a big square, like have it like right there. Then on the side right here, have like the 4 cages, like the little cages that locks the Raptors up. Do you think that's what they should have done? Put in the comments below. I'm kind of ashamed, but I know it looks little. I do like it, but they could have done better. I'm serious, they could have done way better. So you seen my last video where I had an intro. So if you like that, put in the comments below, and you can wish me a happy late birthday on this video. My schedule for my videos is gonna be probably, say, Friday, a Good Friday. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment below, and comment if you think this little Lego set right here is worth 40 without like the cages on the side right there. If you think so, say yes, they should have put that. If not, say no, it's good the way it is. I want to know what you guys think. So far I got 201 views on my video that I made like a few months ago. And that was pretty cool. But still, guys, no comments really. I only get like a few comments with my friends. I want to know what you guys think. I want you guys to tell me, yeah, I love this video, you know. I'm not pressuring you at all. I'm just saying, like, you know, I want to hear my fans. I want to hear, you know, what you guys think. So, in this video, please comment below. I want to hear your thoughts. I don't care if they're hurtful, but I just want to know what you guys think about some of my videos and what you think I should do and do not do. So, yeah. So please like, subscribe, and comment below, and eat some Oreos, and God bless.